In this video, I will show you how to create SendFox Contact on Instamojo Sale automatically. So Instamojo is an Indian payment gateway, and whenever a new sale happens in this software, I will show you how to create a contact in SendFox email marketing software automatically. Want to learn how you can also sync the customer details with your favorite email marketing software? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Instamojo and this is the dashboard of SendFox, and in order to automate this whole process, firstly I'll have to build an integration in Instamojo and SendFox, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. I have directly pasted the name as Create SendFox Contact on Instamojo Sale automatically. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to choose the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Now according to our use case, we want that whenever any new sale happen in Instamojo payment gateway software, or you can say Instamojo payment gateway application, then automatically send this customer detail to SendFox email marketing application. Okay, so I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is I will be connecting both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let us first connect Instamojo with Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new sale. So yes, because I want to perform the same, that whenever any new sale happen in Instamojo, this automation should trigger, or we can say the detail of sale should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice after selecting the trigger event, it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instructions. So with the help of this URL only, we are going to build the connection, build the integration, and the instruction for the same are already given here. So you will have to follow these instructions carefully. So firstly copy this webhook URL, then go back to your Instamojo payment gateway dashboard, and here you can notice I am into the all product section, and here I will open that specific product on the sale of which I want to capture the customer details. Okay, so here I have this PHP for beginners, this specific course, this specific product. Okay, so firstly I will edit this product, then I will directly click the advanced section of this particular product, and here you will find the option of webhook URL. Well, one webhook URL is already added, so I will firstly delete that existing URL, and then I am going to copy and paste that specific URL which has got via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have pasted the same. Now I am clicking on this save button, and this is how it will be updated successfully, and that means Instamojo and Pabbly Connect is connected. Okay, and now in order to test this integration, you will have to log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means new sale happening in Instamojo. So I am going to perform the same. Firstly I will open this specific product which I have integrated with the Pabbly Connect, and then I am going to make a payment. Okay, so I am clicking on this buy now button. Now I will provide some dummy details. So assume that the name of the person is demo, basically the first name, the last name of the person is user, the email address is demo user1234@pabbly iTunes.com, okay, and asking for the phone number. So let me also provide a 10-digit dummy phone number, okay. Now I'll click on this review and pay button, clicking on this make payment button. Give me a second, let me complete this purchase, and you will notice that as soon as the payment is successful here, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, for which it is already waiting for the webhook response, okay. So give me a second. So I have made the payment of ₹9. Thank you for your purchase. Check your WhatsApp number to download the file, okay. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is also received as soon as the payment is successful in our Indian payment gateway Instamojo, okay. So now I'll show you the details one by one. Here we have the currency, here we have the same phone number which we have provided at the time of payment. We have also provided the same name at the checkout page. Here we also have the same email address and the amount, okay. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine, okay. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone will purchase our product, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So in this way, the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send the customer details to SendFox email marketing software, and let me tell you, in place of SendFox, you can send the same details to different email marketing software like Active Campaign, okay. So if you want to send the data to Active Campaign, you can select that specific application, okay. And if you want to send the same data to MailChimp email marketing software, you can also select the same, okay. Again, it is up to you, it is completely based on your choice. Now I will again search for SendFox here, and just like we have built a connection in Instamojo and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting SendFox and Pabbly Connect, okay. So firstly, I will select the trigger event, that is add contact to our list. Simply clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token, okay. So you can directly visit this hyperlink, and if you are already logged in SendFox, it will redirect you to that specific place from where you can actually access the API, okay. So here you can notice few API keys are already created, so I will be creating a new token in front of you. Let me provide a random name, something like Pabbly new, I'm sorry for that, okay. Clicking on create button, and this is how you can get the personal access token, okay. Let me close the same, paste the same here, clicking on save, and this is how your SendFox account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect, okay. And because we are connected, whatever the contact list available inside my SendFox account have started visible here, okay. So I'll show you the same thing here. I will be clicking on this list section, and here you can notice I have this important list: customers of WooCommerce, Star Alpha List, contacts, and landing page signups, okay. So let me open this drop down, and here you can find the same contact email list, okay. And now I will be selecting this contacts list, okay, because I want to send the details, I want to send the customers to this specific list, so that is why I have selected the same. Currently there is a single subscriber in this specific list. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, further it is asking for the first name, last name, email, and few other basic details, okay. Now you tell me from where I am going to provide these details. Remember, we have already captured a few basic details as a response of our first step, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy this above data and paste below. I am going to map the above data, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for that data, okay. So I have added the first name and last name both, okay. Asking for the last name, well, here you can notice in my checkout page I have not collected the first name and last name value individually, okay. So I have the first name and last last name in the single field only, okay? So for now, in both the fields, I will be adding the full name only, that is demo user and demo user. But here I would like to suggest you that when you will customize your checkout page, make sure that you add the first name and last name field individually. Asking for the email address, okay, so let me map the same. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I'm mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. I'm repeating this thing once again, that the details I'm providing here via mapping will be replaced automatically, but just in case if I will provide any detail manually here, that detail will remain same for every new sale, okay? Now finally I'll be clicking on the save and send test request button, and once the response is received, that means the contact is created successfully in our SendFox email marketing software, okay? So let me refresh the contact list. And here you can notice the same person with the same email address, with the same first name and with the same last name has been created as a contact in our SendFox email marketing software automatically, okay? So in this way you can create a sync in between your Instamojo payment gateway software and in between your email marketing software with the help of automation software Pabbly Connect. And in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free.
Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.